bananas, you say peppers. And I'm back again with some fresh SHREK content. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just filmed a fidget haul, and look at this. Now my floor is covered in fidget trash, even though that's not trash. But let me just roll through the trash here so that I can get closer to you guys. It is definitely gonna be a cleaning the filming room day once I'm done unboxing these. But I am so excited. Today we have something that I don't think I ever have unboxed, and that is OOSHIES. I think that they make a couple of different versions of these. Some that are like in eggs, like traditional kind of like blind balls. And then I think that these are like the smaller versions, which are actually pencil toppers. And I don't remember where I saw these, but you guys know that I have been super into SHREK lately. And so I saw that there is an OOSHIES series. And now it's not just SHREK, it is DreamWorks. And I'm trying to see when these came out, because I think I talked about these a couple of videos ago. God, I cannot talk today. Sippy sippy while I try and coordinate my brain. I think it's because I'm so hot. Like, I thought it would be like fun to wear this SHREK ear hoodie, not to mention my hair. Ah, it's hair washing day and room cleaning day. It's July in Texas, so this is just a sweat. Ugh. I feel like I'm wearing one of those like exercise and wear a sweatband like things, except for my whole body. It's like a SHREK sauna in here. Anyway, oh yeah, I was gonna sippy sippy first. Talky later. Yeah, where was I? A lot of you guys, I think, said that they sell these at the dollar store, like Dollar Tree. Back when I was like still going there, when life was normal years ago, they did start to have a lot of blind bag, blind box toys, which I thought was really cool. Like, they even had Shopkins at one point at my local Dollar Tree. And honestly, I've only been to Five Below once. I would like to go there again, because I know that they have a lot of unboxing things as well. Ooh, these did come out in 2018, so they are definitely quite elderly at this point. I think we have 13 that we're gonna unbag today, and I actually bought these on eBay. I think that all together, like with shipping and handling, I think it was around like $13, $14, so I roughly paid $1 for each of them anyway. I guess it can have, I think this is How to Train Your Dragon, Trolls, and SHREK. So we have these common ones. Oh my God. Oh no. Are we gonna see a lot of the same things today? This is very different. So obviously I am looking for like ye old standard SHREK. He's glow in the dark SHREK. But look at this, you guys. There's only 4 options that are common. The rest of these options, all the SHREK characters are rare. And then we only have 1 limited edition. So that's limited edition Poppy from, isn't that Troll's name? Sparkle Poppy from the Trolls movie. I've never seen the Trolls movie. Oh my God, there's no like easy tear area on these either. Oh my gosh, okay. And they're kind of easy to tear. Anyway, I've never seen Trolls, and I think that there's a bunch of How to Train Your Dragons movies out. Isn't there like 3 of those? And I think I saw the first one, but who knows? Okay, who did we get? Oh, that's also interesting. I wonder if they're all gonna be wrapped this way. So it looks like we have a collector's card, and then we have the character inside. So I know a lot of blind bag, blind box, well, more really the blind bags. They started to try and put paper or cardboard around the thing inside so that you couldn't just like try and feel and see what character you were gonna get. So we did get Poppy, but she's not sparkling. She's just normal. And oh my gosh, they are pretty squishy. I mean, especially like the little bodies are really squishy. Let's see, I don't have a pencil, but I have a pen. Okay, that's not gonna work. I thought I could display them as pencil toppers. So that is bag number 1. And let's see, I'm just picking them up at random down here. Like I said, I think that the listing was for $13, which is kind of cool because there is 13 different options. So maybe they're giving you a chance that you'll just get all 13. Oh my God. Okay. I hope it's not going to be 13 of the same ones. Also, I am kind of like, ugh, at the fact that there's only like 4 options. So we have Poppy again. Hello, Poppy. Are you going to sing us a song? All right, Ooshie, number 3. If it's another Poppy, I'm going to scream. Who did we get? I can't tell. The inside of the bag is dark and mysterious, like a cave. And ew, oh, who is this? Literally, who is this? Mantis. Is that from Trolls? Okay, this guy is really cute, and he is our first rare. So he is glow in the dark Mantis. And I'm gonna try and remember to insert a clip in here, you guys, of all of them glowing in the dark. But we know sometimes I've lost a couple of my marbles. I'm not playing with a full deck here, so sometimes I forget to film a clip. Let's try and not do that today. Okay, I am warm. I should maybe just take this off. But I'm trying to like summon SHREK magic, and quite apparently a headache moving my head that dramatically. You guys, I think I'm dehydrated. I took a very long walk today because, you know, I'm still on one of my exercise kicks, and it felt like 99 degrees outside today, but at least I did drink a bottle of water, a single bottle of water, but I don't think that's enough. Oh, we got another glow-in-the-dark one. Ew, it's glow-in-the-dark Fiona. So maybe now we can like summon SHREK in that manner. We have glow-in-the-dark Fiona. Hello. Oh, wait. I forgot. I'm supposed to be modeling her on this pin. There we go. Glow-in-the-dark Fiona. And I honestly wish that they would have made more of these because I'm gonna be honest, I love the glow in the dark, but I think for some reason I did not realize that the only SHREK options were glow in the dark, because can I just be honest, like, you can't see many details here. You know what I mean? Like the little poppies here, they have lots of details because, you know, they have paint to accentuate their features. Ugh. My throat's dry. Okay, are my SHREK ears flopping? Bag number next. I have literally lost count, so we're just gonna keep going today until we don't have any more bags. Who's that? Can you guys tell from just the hair? I think it's a troll, but it's a different one. What is this? What is this troll's name? DJ Suki. Like I said, it means nothing to me because I haven't seen the Trolls movie. I feel like I would have been more excited about the Trolls movie, like if the trolls looked like trolls, which I know they look like trolls, but like I kind of wish they would have just like, you know, a troll. These look like, I don't know. I'm so stubborn. You know what I'm saying? I should just open my heart to the new trolls, because I'm like, that's not how trolls look. Although I accepted these guys and didn't bat an eye at that. I find myself more often than not, like, not liking character redesigns. Like, I'm like, okay, I liked these characters. I liked how they looked already. You didn't need to redo it, you know? Just do a movie with the dang troll dolls. They were cute enough already, okay? We already had treasure trolls. What more magic? What more troll magic do you need than treasure trolls? Ugh, who did we? Oh my God, the same one again. I can tell by the hair. It looks like it's the DJ troll. Ooh, trolls are DJs in this world. I don't feel like the trolls had careers before. Well, you know what? I don't even know. I'm not gonna say that. I felt like the trolls, I am gonna say it. I don't feel like the trolls before had a show or anything. I could be wrong. Ooh, my hair. It's trying to creep out. Get back there. Okay, next bag. It looks like we have less than 10 left. So we've been going for a while and so far, no SHREK. How does this happen? I need to just stop saying I'm looking for things. Because what is that? Is that another troll? Oh, it just looks like hair. What is this? It's a character that's just hair. What? Its name is Fuzzbert. I wanted to call it Fuzzbutt, but it's Fuzzbert, and it's just, it sort of looks like an onion, which makes me like it more than thinking it's just a bodiless troll. Does it speak? Okay, now I am a little intrigued. Should I watch this? I don't know. Am I gonna be swayed to watch a DreamWorks film after opening? Come on, SHREK, I only want one. We did not get it, but we got another rare one, and it's another okay, this one's actually kind of cute. Its name is Biggie, and it is an all blue troll. Pretty cute. Still not SHREK, but okay. I actually don't see like any of the characters from How to Train Your Dragon, so this is honestly odd that they even have that on there. It really looks like just trolls and SHREK. Oh my God. We got the DJ troll again. See, that's the problem with just having 4 options that are common. I'm just, oh, goodbye. I'm just reimagining their entire product here, but I feel like they should have had like all the characters pretty much be common and then just do glow in the dark ones for rare options. Like, why only have 4 common ones? You're just gonna get them over and over again. Oh, ew, you guys, we did get the most rare, what is this called? Super duper rare, limited edition. We did just get Sparkle Poppy, and hopefully you guys can see, can you see the sparkle? There's just like a little bit of glitter, little bit of glitter. I can't talk, I can't sing, I can't dance. Anyway, there's like just a little bit of glitter on the blue parts. So honestly, truly not that different. I like, okay, I know I'm just being dramatic and I'm probably gonna see it a lot more once I'm editing the footage. But right now, like on the camera, on the viewfinder, like they look like kind of no different. I feel like I'm kind of roasting these trolls, which sounds disgusting. I don't want to be mean to the trolls. You're just not who I was looking for. But it is pretty cool that we did get the limited edition one. Now, I don't know how limited edition this is. Is this like finding gold cheese? Is that how limited it is? 2 bags left. Are we gonna get SHREK? I can't believe we only got 1 SHREK character. Oh, okay. There is only 2 SHREK characters. I think maybe the Mantis and this thing called Oogway. Maybe those are the how to drain your dragon is literally what I was about to say. How to train your dragon. Right? I don't know. Somebody help me out. I almost said somebody help me out in the chat. That would be magical if this was like a live thing. What? We got another Sparkle Poppy. How rare can this be? I feel like SHREK is more rare. You guys, ow, 2 Sparkle Poppies. Okay, 1 last bag. Please be SHREK. Come on. And even just be like, I'm not looking for SHREK. I do not want SHREK to be in this bag. And don't worry, he's not. What is it? Ew, I like this one too. This is probably my favorite troll we've seen today because I feel like he kind of looks like the most traditional looking troll. And its name is Moxie Dewdrop. He's pretty cute though. But you guys, no SHREK. No SHREK was found. We did get, why can I not say Fiona? We did get Fiona, but that's as close as we got to SHREK. Should I get more of these? Do you guys care? I feel like these are like, what, 4 years old? 5 years old? How many years ago was 2018? What year is it now? The answer to all these questions and more in the next episode. Let me know if you guys want to see me unbox more of these. Is this like a thing that is still actively being produced? I have to admit, I don't see a lot of people like unboxing OOSHIES, although I feel like the world is just dominated by mini brands right now, myself included in that whole mini brand. The garage is closing. I would love to know if y'all want to see more of these, if y'all care. Should we keep trying for the glow-in-the-dark Shrek? There's little pieces of hair in my mouth. It's very distracting. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad, and I feel like we should have a thing like give an alligator its wings, but for banana peppers, you know, like give a banana, join the banana basket, give a banana its peel, peel a banana today, add a little spice to a pepper. I don't know what. None of those are catchy. But anyway, until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again with more content. Who knows what I'm gonna do next? Actually, I do know what I'm gonna do next, and I'm very excited. Why did I just make this face? I'm very excited. This is not an excited face. Anyway, I'll be back.